if your calculator is not turning on, if the power button is not turning it on, yeah, so this is one of the quick way to fix it. Yeah, temporary way to fix it. So what you just need to do is, okay, the test for where there's current. So for instance here, this is where the power button gets its own power on the from the calculator. So for I so you can just select any of these ports. If I change it, it's going to read negative. So it shows that current, the negative and the positive current move to that side. Alright, so let's check the answer. Okay, so you can just select any of these ports where you have negative and positive, then you connect wire to it, and then so so now I've bypassed the on button. So just know what I just need to do now is just connect the wires. So you can see once I touch use the wire to touch each other, and I remove it. So, but the on button is not working. So I have to fix it. So I want to off it. So now I need to turn it back again. So that's it.